Guys, we are making a biku. We call this lagi bico native bico for the Lenten seasons, guys. This is a Thursday, Holy Thursday, so I need to make it for our light snacks for tomorrow and today. And here the Arnival caramel. So this is a caramel for this glutinous rice. So I cook already. We cook already for that. And I do it caramel for the sugar with the coconut. So yeah, that's it. So my not yet. Tayo. Wala pa. Tubig pa. Bukan lang din. Caramized din gumaya. Wala pa na siya. Watery pa kayo siya. So, this is my my assistant. So I have my assistant. So you can do a caramized for my what you call this? Dark brown sugar. So Muscovado, I forgot. Muscovado sugar. Muscovado sugar, this one. I put then the tricks of this, guys. Do not put water. You better what we call this milk, coconut milk with the pure coconut milk without water. So it's in 1 can or whatever, 1.5. You want it to be easy, quickly sticky. So it's not hard. Take longer because some of the people is that doing water, so it's take longer. Will be sticky. Water, not good. You better do it. The tricks of this is pure coconut milk. Do not mix water. See how easy it is, guys. Will not take longer. That's what your tricks. Some before my generations, my mother, I saw how she make a caramelized. I bodle my mouth. Yeah, caramelized. No, that's it. And you need to do that. Not the generation before, guys, because they put the water. Take longer. Okay, guys. Baby. Almost done. So I gonna put ang rice there. Transfer. So now it's good now. A little bit sticky now.
Butang?
Yeah. Here you go, guys. Absorb it. The caramelized Muscovado. So here. So here now. So here you go.
Wala ka dito.
See? Look at, guys. So you can make a
bico.
So we don't need any more to buy to make buy for it. You can do it in your home, guys. Instead you buying it.
Ako din po ano naman.
Wapo ni siya i-bake. Nalang ko yung oven, I can bake this. Put a cheese. Put a cheese, milk cheese. milk cheese, diba? Natay milk cheese na. Butangan natin yung milk cheese, di.
Ako mapilo ning kuan, dokot.
Apila.
Ay laki ko ni kato.
Apila.
Ah, dili man dai dokot kayo man mo.
Sige lang, basta
Hindi siya
buta.
dokot, tanawa ra mo daw. Hindi siya dokot.
Mas may man.
Perfect, di pa kaluto. Kaya di ka rin kuan. Dokot.
See that? So perfect, guys. See? Nangan na ba? Okay. Inay gid. Slow. Gamay pagid. Samay pagid. Kontrola. Gamay. Okay na. So here the slow part. Make the slow part still. So just make only, guys, so that it could be even the caramelized. I-mix big maayo lang. This is nice if the chicken ang tawagan nilang violet nga kwan rice.
Ah, kuan.
Sa tawagan ni
Tapul.
tapul, yeah. Tapul in the Filipino. We have tapul. Yes, nice this one tapul because it's gonna be red, so much red. You could see the dark of the we call that the native Vico, our sweet native glutinous rice. Filipino love this native Vico. No, wala mo kuha ng luy. Kuha ng luy. Kuha ng luy. Butang dito sa kanila kaunan.
Makita naman nila yan ko.
Kailain kayo mga kanin ni sir. Pero
Kita naman. Hindi ko.
yeah, you just cook this and also the glutinous just mix into the coconut milk. I also measure by this same what glutinous, how many glutinous you in 1 cup. So that's also your measurement. Yeah. So that it will be nice, not so. So that's it. Then ikatag ay flatten. Just flatten. Ito na. Then flatten. So here it goes. Flatten already, guys. So just absorb a little bit. Then I will put the butang iog ng cheese. Katong quick milk cheese. Quick cheese. Yung cheese ba? Quick cheese. Grated. Quick cheese din na. So that's it, guys, and almost done. I have options for to taste better. Just I'm gonna be try this quick cheese because this seems like you bake. Seems like you bake the. I have no oven, so just option for me. Tastes good. Here you go. This quick cheese. So that's it. This is like then spread it. Sakto na. Spread it. This is not a commercial, guys, ha. This really okay. Spread it, guys. Asa tong kanang spatula na to. Nara ka ng puti, spatula na siya. Okay na na. Kay pilit man ka nang gigwa na na. Okay na. Okay. Butan niyo raw ang isa, B. Butan niyo raw ang side, B. Dini, B.
Pangan?
There, B. My assistant is taking a picture now. Posting in the Facebook. Later gonna be fried my fish for our dinner. This side para maglami siya. This side. There. Side. Okay. Ito na. Kaya mo, ano na siya, spread, naman gano'n siya, melt, naman gano'n siya. There, okay, in the corner. So, there you go. That's, okay. I just only a little bit absorbing the caramelized, so it will taste good, and the cheese also melt in your mouth. And the cheese, quick melt cheeses will be. That's it. It's done, and after this, we're gonna be put in the cold area so that it will be good to eat. But some of the people is better put in the freezer. The following day is the best. That's why I make this for tomorrow. Friday is a holy. Friday is better. Taste in your mouth because it's already the taste will be absorbing it rather than the right away you eat, you cannot feel the taste better. So this one is still fresh cooked. So that's what I know, guys. I learned this from my working in Bahrain, in the bakery of Bahrain. So I learned this, guys. I have a lot of I'm not totally good in cooking, but I have only experience for this when I'm working in Bahrain with my sheikha, my queen of sister of the king. So that's what I learned there, because she has Bakery, Almiroj Bakery in Bahrain. I cannot forget that. How many years I've been there, and also my daughter replacement for me. So yeah, Biko guys. Sweet kuha na to, native. For Holy Thursday, I make it. I make also for I mix already for my fish. This is my fish. Fish ball. We call this fish ball. This is what I study from my culinary study. So yeah, I put here for ingredients. See, it's watery already. It's the egg, the tuna, just only the can. Even the, what do you call it, century tuna, you can make it. Century tuna flex. So, or sardinas, you can do it also sardinas. If it's a remedy for one, if you cannot afford century tuna flex, so you can make it sardinas. Just drain it very well so that the soy what do you call this, the preservative there will be drained so nice, and so it will not anymore goes to your, and put a carrot or whatever you want, carrot or potatoes, or you can do it also the, what do you call this thing, kamas or sayotes, whatever. It's up for you guys. That's only whatever you have here in your squash, you can do it. Squash, as long as you can have. So that's be a good health. And just put your onions or whatever you want, seasoning to taste good. That's it for onion, garlic, and I did also the spring onions, and just flowers, and if you want put a little bit of cornstarch. What else? Whatever it could be, make taste. But I also put this what do you call this, a bread crunch, so that it will be crunchy a little bit there when you feel in your mouth. That's it. So I did not put the olive oil. Supposed to be gonna be put the olive oil, but it's already deep water.
Kalayo, bro. Nakuha ng kalayo ni mo, ma'am. Mahinayan na, kalayo ni mo. Bagong na na yun. Slow. Medium heat ra ba?
Pagkasang bandit ko.
Makuna ka na. Grupo de tipo
tapos halinin ito na halinin. Dapat scoop ba nga? Ay, namday ko scoop sa screen ba?
Oo.
Ang tayo.
Kaya ka lang. Ilani ka mo ako.
May gamis na. Hindi na mag-bukak ko ito. Ano na lang yung pangkaliang? Katura, i-kandali na, ano. Ayun, may bali-bali, hindi may tagaw, duwiran sa kan, kaya di po, maka ng tusok-tusok ang kan. Hindi, ano lang. Paano ba
Kabalon ako.
Kasiksi ba kayo sa buwak mo? Murang mag...
Kasiksi. Kana ako na di ayaw ka no.
Pakit pa kong dyan. Kasiksi pa kong dyan. Hindi siya na-form ng careful because I don't have a scoop for I have a ice cream scoop. Maybe soon. Ayan na po.
Napuloon. Nothing. Dali, magulangan mo din mo po. Picture. Malaputa ka na siya. Malaputa ka na.
Face on that.
Napag mga pumakda.
Ikaw na din eh.
559. Dito po siya. 5 minutes everything.
Ayan ang sauce ko yan. Yan lang ang sauce ko. This is a Holy Thursday with a lot of there's a salad and fish ball. I made it. Salad. Tuna salad. And sandwich for my husband. She like it.